Frog and Toad are friends. Once upon a time, near a quiet pond surrounded by tall grass and colorful flowers, there lived two very good friends named Frog and Toad. Frog was cheerful and hopeful. He liked waking up early, smiling at the sun, and believing that every day would be a good day. Toad was quiet and careful. He often worried and liked things to stay the same. Even though they were different, they cared deeply for each other. One morning, Frog hopped to Toad's house. He knocked on the door. "Wake up, Toad," said Frog. "It is spring." Toad stayed in bed and pulled the blanket over his head. "I do not want to get up," said Toad. "I am tired." "But look," said Frog. He opened the window. The snow is gone. The birds are singing. Spring is here. Toad slowly got out of bed. When he saw the green grass and blue sky, he smiled. "Spring makes me feel better," he said. That day, Frog and Toad went for a long walk. They talked about happy things and laughed together. They felt glad to be friends. One day, Toad was sad. "What is wrong?" Frog asked. "I have lost a button from my jacket," said Toad. "Without it, my jacket is ruined." Frog wanted to help. Together they searched everywhere under leaves, behind rocks, and along the path. They found many buttons. Big ones, small ones, round ones, and shiny ones. "This one is not mine," said Toad each time. At last, Frog found a button that was just right. "It fits," cried Toad happily. Then Frog looked closely. "Wait," he said. "This button was already on your jacket." Toad laughed. "Now I have an extra button," he said. "This has been a very good day." Another day, Frog visited Toad again. Toad was sitting on the floor, looking upset. "What is the matter?" Frog asked. "I will never be brave," said Toad. Frog thought for a moment. Then he said, "I will tell you a story." As Frog told the story, a real snake came quietly toward them. Frog stayed calm, but Toad did not see it. When Toad turned around and saw the snake, he jumped high into the air and ran away fast. Later, Frog found Toad hiding behind a tree. "You were very brave," said Frog. "I was afraid," said Toad. "That is what brave means," said Frog. "Doing something even when you are afraid." Toad smiled proudly. In the fall, Frog and Toad raked leaves together. Each time they finished a pile, the wind blew the leaves away. They laughed and worked again and again until the yard was clean. In winter, they stayed inside and drank hot tea. Frog read stories and Toad listened. They were warm and happy. One day, Frog gave Toad a gift, a beautiful calendar. "This way you can tear off one page each day," said Frog. Toad loved the gift so much that he tore off many pages at once. Soon, there were no pages left. Toad began to cry. "Now I have no more days," he said. Frog hugged him gently. "You still have today," said Frog. "And today is my favorite day, because I am with you." Toad stopped crying and smiled. Frog and Toad were always there for each other on happy days and sad days. In every season of the year, they learned that true friendship means helping, listening, and caring. And they lived happily, knowing that being friends was the best thing of all.